Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. So what we am seeing in the crypto market, this is the Bitcoin analysis what we are doing right now. You can see here guys, if market will slightly came downside somewhere here and making a upside momentum, then you can go for your first target guys. This will be the second, this will be the third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target, but what you have to do is that here only you have to book your whole position, or you can carry on for third, and this will be the fourth position, and this will be the fifth target. Okay guys, but slightly the consolidation will happen, and you can see here what happened is that this is the trend line, and right now it's acting as a resistance. So high probability is that it will came downside and take support and goes upside. Okay guys, if it will once again broken downside and taking resistance, then you can expect your first target will be your second target, your third target will be somewhere here only guys, and your fourth target will be when you minimal is here. Okay guys, hope you are getting these logics all and these guys. Okay, high probability is that it maybe goes on a consolidation also, but we have to see that guys, it has to broke this. If this is the broken, then we can expect the huge momentum in Bitcoin also. Okay guys, we can see for Ethereum too guys. In Ethereum also what we have discussed, exactly that happened. Just I will remove these also, we can get the better picture for the analysis. Okay guys, right now it's a good. So you can seeing here guys, what happened is that right now I have told you only this is the major thing, and exactly that happened, and right now it's at a bullish phase. Okay guys, what we have to do right now, what we are seeing right now is that this is the one of the resistance it's acting. Okay guys, if this is broken and taking support, then you have to see that this is not tradable zone. After this is broken, your first target will be here, second target, and our third target, and our fourth target will be somewhere here. Okay guys, this is the no trading zone guys. I will just make a box. This is the no trading zone. If you can consider also, you have to take your SL is very big, up till here only your SL, and you can make a new position of long position. Okay guys, if here only it's making a double top somewhere here only. Okay guys, after that coming down and it's breaking this, then you can expect your first target, your second, your third target, and your fourth target, and you can consider it as a final and fifth target. Okay guys, you are getting the all the logic. Hope you have done the analysis also, and please go and check out the first what you are doing analysis, then check out mine, so you can get the clarification where you are getting the wrong, or what are the different idea you are getting from my analysis. So you can get the thing is that it will came out you as a new and creative things, and you can find out new patterns also. That's why I am telling you. Hope you enjoyed this analysis guys. I upload every day a new video for the US index, so you can check out there also. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys.